Understanding the power of personal vows. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of English language learning, understanding and using the phrase, make a personal vow. This expression is not just about words, it's about commitment and self-promise. Whether you're learning English as a second language or refining your proficiency, grasping these phrases enriches your communication. So, let's explore together the depth and application of making a personal vow. Make a personal vow consists of 3 key words, each carrying significant weight. Make refers to the act of creating or establishing something. Personal implies that this is individual to you, not influenced by others or intended for others. And vow is a solemn promise, a pledge, or a commitment that you're determined to keep. When combined, these words form a powerful expression about committing to a personal promise or decision that holds great importance in one's life. Personal vows are deeply significant because they reflect your values, goals, and priorities. They could be about changing a habit, achieving a personal milestone, or even how you choose to interact with others. Making a personal vow is a step towards self-improvement and personal growth. It's a declaration that you are serious about making a change or achieving something that matters deeply to you. To put this into context, let's look at some examples. I vow to speak kindly to myself and others, emphasizes the importance of positive speech. I make a personal vow to learn something new every day, shows a commitment to continuous learning. I vow to lead by example in my community, reflects a promise to be a positive influence. These examples illustrate how personal vows can vary in focus and scope, but each represents a commitment to positive action or change. Making a personal vow involves introspection and honesty. Start by identifying an area of your life you wish to improve or a goal you want to achieve. Reflect on why this is important to you. Then, articulate your vow in a clear, positive statement. Remember, it should be realistic, meaningful, and something you're genuinely committed to. Write it down, and consider sharing it with someone you trust for accountability. In conclusion, making a personal vow is a powerful step towards personal development and achieving your goals. It's about setting intentions that are deeply personal and committing to them with all your heart. We hope this video has inspired you to think about your own personal vows and how they can guide you towards a more fulfilled life. Remember, the power of change begins with a promise to yourself. Thank you for watching, and we wish you the best on your journey of personal growth and language learning.